Have you ever played hide and seek? Antiforensics is like that, but we're hiding your digital life. It's about making your computer activities invisible. This is important because anyone from law enforcement to nosy neighbors might try to snoop on your computer. Windows is like a glass house. Every click, every download, every email leaves a trace. Antiforensics helps you put curtains on those windows. It's about controlling what others can see. Think of it as leaving no fingerprints at a crime scene, but in the digital world. We all have things we want to keep private. Antiforensics gives you the tools to protect yourself. It's not just for hackers or criminals, it's for anyone who values their privacy and security. Imagine sending a postcard with your address on it. Anyone can see where it came from, right? VPNs, proxies, and Tor are like using a secret post office box. They mask your IP address, which is like your digital home address. A VPN is like a tunnel. Your internet traffic goes through a secure connection, hiding it from prying eyes. A proxy is like a middleman. It sends your request on your behalf, making it look like it's coming from somewhere else. Tor is like taking a winding path through a forest. Your traffic bounces through multiple relays, making it very hard to trace back to you. These tools are your first line of defense in the world of antiforensics. They help you blend in and become less visible online. Windows loves to keep records. Everything you do leaves a trail, but you can use this to your advantage. File extensions are like labels. You can disguise a document as a picture by changing the extension. There are hidden folders in Windows where you can stash sensitive files. Just be careful. Anyone who knows what they're doing can still find them. Encryption is like putting your files in a safe. It scrambles the data, making it unreadable without the key. Remember, the goal is to make your activity look normal. Don't delete everything, that just raises suspicion. The key is to be selective and strategic in what you hide and how you hide it. Section 4. Erasing your tracks, deleting data. Securely. Deleting a file in Windows isn't like erasing a whiteboard. It's more like throwing something in the trash. Someone can still dig it out. To truly erase data, you need to overwrite it multiple times. There are tools available that can do this for you. They fill the space where your file was with random data, making it unrecoverable. Think of it like shredding a document instead of just tossing it in the bin. Your browser history, cookies, and cache are like breadcrumbs. They reveal where you've been online. Regularly clear this data to minimize your digital footprint. And don't forget about your search history. Section 5. The memory hole, RAM, and what they won't find. RAM is like your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that's actively being used. When you turn off your computer, RAM is wiped clean. This is why it's important to power down completely when you're done with sensitive work. Anything left in RAM can be accessed by forensic tools. There are also ways to manipulate RAM directly, but this requires advanced knowledge. The point is, RAM is volatile. It's temporary storage. Use this to your advantage by keeping sensitive information out of RAM as much as possible. Section 6. Staying ahead of the game, a never-ending race. Antiforensics is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. Forensic tools are constantly evolving, so you need to stay one step ahead. Keep learning new techniques and stay updated on the latest threats. Remember, the best way to avoid detection is to not get caught in the first place. Practice good cyber hygiene. Use strong passwords, be wary of phishing attacks, and keep your software up to date. Antiforensics is about being proactive and taking control of your digital privacy.